What if I tell you that, some species of birds can sleep while flying and they can stay aloft for extended periods of time, sometimes for several months without landing? Yes, some species of birds such as frigate birds, swifts and common swift are able to sleep while flying. They have the ability to enter into a state of unihemispheric slow-wave sleep, which means that only one half of their brain sleeps at a time. This allows them to maintain control of their flight and stay alert for predators or other threats. Very interesting.